What's going on, guys? It's Nick here, and today I'm going to show you how to install fonts onto Photoshop. First, we're going to go to thefonts.com, which is really good to find free fonts. I'm going to choose a font to use. Let's press download on Rave King. There we go. Now it's finished downloading. I'm going to go to Photoshop and show you that I do not have installed. As you can see, I do not have installed. Then you're going to go to your downloads, find the zip file. So it's right here. Double click the open type font file, and then press install. It's going to generally be the same on Mac and PC. So as soon as it finishes up, it'll go away and you just X out of that. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to search Rave King. There it is. And I'm going to change color to black. Okay. And I'm going to type. There we go, and it's easy as that. If you like seeing these tutorials, leave a comment and a like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.